Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Mercedes Benz. So from any screen, it's on radio at the moment, but if we click telephone there, you've got ready for Bluetooth telephony. There's no phone connected to it at the moment. So now we need to select telephone on the left hand side. We turn the rotary selector and then click the center to select. You've then got Bluetooth telephones, click select, and you see Barry's iPhone there. So turn the rotary selector to Barry's iPhone 11 highlighted, and you see options at the side. So we knock the selector across towards the options and then click select, and you've got there deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. We want deauthorize. Click deauthorize. Just so as you don't make a mistake, it's asking, do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone 11? And you've got yes or no. It defaults to no, but we select yes, click, and that's it, it's gone.